Hi, this is Dr. Aarthy Viswanathan, Specialist Prosthodontist, Implantologist, Aster Clinic, Dubai. A smile is perceived as a positive emotion. There are times, circumstances you lose a teeth. Worry not, your prosthetic dentist is just a call away. There are two fixed options available. Number one, your conventional traditional crown and bridge, in which we take a support from the neighboring tooth. We trim them one size smaller to make a room for your future crown and bridge. Say bye-bye to crowns and bridges and adapt to a newer technology, which is dental implants. Dental implants are nothing but a titanium alloy screw which is biologically compatible, anchored well in the bone and cause no allergies. Almost all healthy patients are suitable for dental implants, as only bone requirement is a basic criteria. So why to wait? Consult your implant dentist, do a thorough 3D scan to check your bone quality. And never forget to share details of your pre-existing conditions, habit of smoking and over-the-counter medications. So dental implants are preferred over the conventional crown and bridges, as they are as natural as possible, better chewing efficacy and ease of brush and floss. Stay wise, stay healthy. Cheers.